Take it. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Nidhi and Elite Plus for the success of this summit, and thank you for having me here as the session chair. Distinguished guests, delegates sitting on and off the dais, and industry friends. A warm welcome to a business session on the mold and machinery, which forms a very important part of molding industry. This is going to be a longest business session for Elite Plus with 7 eventful presentations on future technologies and value creation to put our customers ahead in their competitions. From the earlier presentations today, we have high-level pointers like India being the second largest plastic waste generator, out of which 60% is being recycled. So there is a lot of opportunity to really work together on this future subject. And we are also aiming 10x growth in the next 25 years to come, which gives us a lot of opportunity for future growth. Nadir ji has also mentioned in his keynote speech that multi-cavity hot runner molds turned to be the gold-like investment for Godrej, and our 2 distinguished speakers are going to talk on this subject. So we are plastic people, and we must celebrate it with great pride, and awareness can start from our homes. So at least no one in our home should say bad about plastic. So that should be the main criteria for us. The speakers are going to present various important topics like 3D printing, automation, and smart solutions in the manufacturing, hot runners for new materials, productivity enhancements with spin stack mold technology, mitigating counterfeiting in plastic parts, and Industry 4.0 transformation for the factories. So the speaker.
Hello everybody. Thank you for the invitation here in this beautiful country. Thank you to be here. I'm honest. We heard a lot about sustainability. We heard a lot of how to earn money with the injection molding machine. We heard a lot of reinforced material. This was everything interesting in the world of injection molding, also blow molding. And now there comes a guy from Germany and will speak with you about how to earn money with a 3D printer. It doesn't work? Okay. At first I want to introduce YIZUMI worldwide. We are one of the biggest suppliers for injection molding machines. We also do casting machines, rubber machines, and at least the pellet additive manufacturing 3D printing. So the main questions I want to speak with you is how to earn money in 3D printing, and the main question, how the injection molder have the answers and what is the solution from the 3D printing side. Yeah. So let's start. What we are actually talking about here. There are different technologies in the world of 3D printing. It is the filament printing, the powder bed, and the resin. But with the technology from YIZUMI, we want to speak about how to use injection molding material for the 3D printing in real production. I will introduce at the next folder. We have in this technology a granulate dryer, a 6-axis robot, and a single screw extruder, and you can use it for real production. Let's say with reinforced material, with ocean waste, and also with normal native materials, but I will explain later. So the applications and the first question. 3D printing is expensive. So we got a request from Volkswagen in the mid of October 2021.
Thank you. So, Namaste everyone. Thank you for the nice introduction. Just to add here that now I'm living in India for the last 1 year and 3 months in the beautiful city, Bangalore. But I love Mumbai as well. I welcome you all on behalf of FANUC India at this wonderful conference today. I will be speaking on this subject, which I believe is of interest of all of us in the industry. Automation is very widely talked about subject and is in the wish list of every shop floor owner now. It is now a common understanding that automation increases efficiency on the shop floor. This is because robots and machinery dedicated to specific tasks can increase production rate and labor output. They can do more per hour and are capable of handling heavy loads with ease. Automation is now just about the robot, not just about the robot, but it includes all the virtual elements starting from intelligent machines using CNC to programmable devices and artificial intelligence functions to the effective utilization of all those tools.
Good evening, everyone. This is truly my pleasure to make my 7th presentation in the 9th edition of IMBM today. We are a South Korean-based company involved in manufacturing of hot runner system from the last 35 plus years now. And we had manufactured almost 2.3 lakh systems last year, which is around 4 times close to the second largest competitor we have in hot runner industry. We have around 3,700 team size and more than 500 patents. That's our head office in Korea. And that's the manufacturing line we have. As I've said many times, we have the largest line of Mazak manufacturing with us. We have recently added a new factory in Suzhou. That individual factory itself, this is just one picture of that factory, fully automated. Just this individual one factory, 350,000 square feet, the grey building on the backside, what you see, is the single largest setup for hot runner anywhere in the world. That's a new addition with us. That's our big R&D center in Korea. We have more than 300 researchers working in our R&D department, which is the backbone for our company, and all the case studies we are able to showcase is all because of them. That's our global network. Today my topics are PET first, and then micro pitch for medical application, then biodegradable plastic applications, mobility, 2K, 3K, and if I left with my time, 1 or 2 slides about Yudo India. Many customers are not aware about the high-end projects Yudo is doing extensively in PET segment, especially for higher cavitation. And I'm going to talk about 144 cavity and so on, along with cycle time achievement, which is better than the best benchmark in the industry. Across all cavitation on the molding machines like Nestal, Petline, Husky, Petline, Sumitomo, Nigao, Kata, and Angel. Hot runner system R&D and designing is very crucial for PET preform systems. The factors to be keep in mind are runner balancing, heat profile to ensure uniform flow rate, remove dead spots, white marks, and keep AA levels in control with cycle time reduction, one of the most critical aspects. In order to achieve the best fill balance and to control the manifold heat profile with single digit along with the lowest fill time, the best solution is fusion bonding manifolds, which we also call as ISO manifolds. And we are here using the same fusion bonding technology for the inserts also, along with the tool makers, to ensure most optimum cooling possible near the gate area. CAE validation is done by our experts team in PET segments, which helps us to attain uniform thermal balance, accurate flow balance, planned flow channel, through output volume is evaluated, along with shear rate is verified so that the pressure drop are in the desired range of resin suitable for this injection molding application.
Thank you, Nidhi, for again bringing back IMBM community to this hall in this pre-COVID era for virtual meetings. So today my topic is going to be spin stack technology. Like where Mr. Vishal left it, he left it at 2K, 3K, so and that's where I'm going to start now at 2K. So this technology is used for overmolding of two colors or two plastics or two colors, same plastic, two colors. And it's also used for assembling two parts, like you mold two parts and then assemble. For any rigid plastics business, whether IM or BM, Vasantha kind this line, everything has to start with a mold. Vasantha is known for making by-injection molds for almost 15 years, and we have been using different technologies, like the way it is shown on the screen. The first concept is core back technology, which is very famous for flip-top closures, wherein you have two separatable profiles like flip and body, and those can be separated by a small steel piece, which you see vertically on the screen. And for the articles which cannot be made using this first technology, there's a rotary technology where you have one article, one color, and then over that you inject another color, so which is called overmolding. So rotary concept, the shaver which you are seeing there, black color is injected first, and over that blue color is injected. So after injecting the black color, you rotate the mold by 180 degrees and then inject the blue color, which is TP here. High volume version of the rotary concept is a cube concept, where you have four faces or two faces of the cube. Because you have four faces and you're working on four faces of the cube at a time, so your cycle time drastically comes down, so by which you get high volume production.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible at the back? So first of all, a big thank you to the whole team at Elite Plus. It's been 8 years since we partnered with this event, and I'm really happy to be back here. And it's wonderful to meet so many industry colleagues, friends. It's a great opportunity for us. I'm really proud to be presenting what I thought, or what I think is something unique, a technology that I happened to see 3 months ago, and I believe there might be some use for this also for the Indian market. All right. So the presentation is just going to be a short introduction about our company. Then we talk about what the current situation is with counterfeiting in plastics and in the industry in general. We'd like to talk about where we currently are, where we want to be and where we should be. What are the traditional methods for identifying our own plastic products, and how do you try and prevent counterfeiting of these products? And then we talk about two solutions that I happened to see earlier this year in Germany. One is called brand proof, where we talk about a generic identification marker that is put into plastic products, not necessarily injection molding, it could be any kind of plastic products. And taking that a step forward is another product called as Track by Stars from the same company. And this is an extension of what they do with brand proof, but in creating a unique digital product passport. And it helps us, make each product unique and very, very difficult to counterfeit. So a little bit about us. Some of you might know us. For those of you who don't, Unimark High-Tech Solutions LLP is a company that is majorly into sales and service of capital equipment for various industries. And these typically include, first and foremost, polymers, which is a major chunk of our business, right? We have equipment for injection molding, extrusion, auxiliary equipment for either of these. We have pilot processing lines for raw material suppliers. And more importantly, we're not just limited to selling and servicing the machine, but we also have a layer of application consulting. So for those of you who are looking for a solution partner, who want to know which is the ideal machine technology to be used, what are the latest trends in plastic processing, we're happy to talk to you. Please look out for a team of us wearing white t-shirts. We're happy to talk to you about this.
I represent the robotics and automation division of Motherson. Motherson predominantly is an automotive supplier, and you might have heard of the name Motherson, which is synonymous with bumper manufacturing, dashboard manufacturing, and all sorts of automotive plastics. So I'll just skip a few of them. Yes. So the robotic team of Motherson Robis has about 190 team members, and we have executed about 1,000 plus projects worldwide. We are present in 42 countries with more than 350 manufacturing setups. So this is our global footprint, where we have one or more installations of our projects. So to enable the robotics products in our company, we are brand agnostic. We work with different companies like Siemens, Keba, Mitsubishi, etc. as per the customer's requirement. And we have a full-fledged team of mechanical, electronics, and controls people along with the software who enable the technology used for the different robotic projects. We have solutions which are ISO, UL and CE certified, which are both compliant for India and international. In terms of the offerings, we have got 6 business verticals. Industry 4, machinery manufacturing, automated assembly and testing, robotics and robotics automation, intelligent assembly solutions, and material handling and warehouse automation. So I'll go to the, so we can do the complete concept feasibility studies when you are planning for a new product. It could be a brownfield evaluation or complete greenfield evaluation of a particular setup. So right from end-of-line testers, material movement, automation, AGV solutions, ASRS, which is used for storage, specialized SPMs, etc., whatever is required, we can provide you with the solutions of that.
Nidhi asked me to reduce the presentation time, but for 20 minutes, I'm going to tell you how you can save your or increase your profitability by 20% more. So I cannot squeeze it too much, but maybe I will finish 20 seconds early, 19 minutes and 40 seconds. With the more than 7,000 customers now, so Prasad is the most preferred choice, been proven. And here, I was just watching the wall, which has been standing behind all of us. Out of 70, 80 names, hardly 1 or 2 names are there who are not using Prasad product. So, thank you so much. In such a case, आज marketing नहीं करेंगे, कुछ अलग करेंगे तो थोड़ा interesting बनेगा. Are you ready? देखो, I'm putting lot of efforts to make it interesting, so I also need some reciprocation. Are you ready? Thank you. I ask Yellow Crazy team to distribute the quiz paper amongst all. This is the next. I can change the slide. All right. So let them distribute. कितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करो, कस्टमर फाइनली तो ये पूछेगा ना, मेरा क्या फायदा. तो आज हम फायदे की बात करेंगे. There will be 3 case studies in the paper, and first calculation is already given. If you finish the remaining 2 case with the right calculation and submit to us right now or at our stall, you will get some prizes. First 3 will get bumper prizes. So Nidhi, I am also trying to copy something like you, from you. This was my first case study of 2001. And आज भी कई कंपनी में यही काम चलता है. ये अंकल एक टम्बलर में तोल के मास्टर बेड डालते हैं, almost 1 kilogram.
Many from my company here, so I'm very pleased to say a few words, just to say, wish you all the luck. I saw some of the technology on the screen. It looks amazing. I find myself in familiar territory. And what you can do for sustainability, climate change, and use that to save energy, I think everything, I wish you great amount of luck and heartiest congratulations for the excellent work you do to support medicine for the common people, make it affordable for everyone. Thank you so much.
Small token from our side, much appreciated, and thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah.
I'm sorry, so 40 seconds.